Imagine if you're pretend you're reaching for one. Oh. Imagine. Ito na pipintas ni.
Cherry pudding.
Yeah.
Mommy, is this one good?
Yeah. Yum.
Yeah?
Yum.
Connie!
Yan. Daddy.
Ano ba? Daw ng cherry picking?
Wala ate.
Latte.
Saan ka mag-cherry picking? Maybe in California, but...
We have in Las Vegas rock.
Let me see, Jay.
No.
Jay, let me see. Let me see.
Lot.
How much you got?
Give me the basket, MJ.
Wow.
MJ.
Oh, this one's not good.
Wait,
This one's not good.
wait.
MJ. Aja lang natangin nyo natangin nila.
Daddy, look.
MJ.
Look at that. Wow.
Give me the basket nga ron.
Want to switch?
Tuka nga di.
Why you're switching?
I want to.
Ato din na alam pa ni suksukatan.
Too. This is nice.
Yeah, come here.
Suksukat na din na. Ato din na alam ko.
Ay, wise lang talaga tata. Umulagyag.
Manday suk-sukat.
Wowie. Wowie. Give me the basket, MJ. 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 Hindi na mangyagay. Masadutak lang nila ang tugawan. At hindi na may nagpikit doon ang kita mata niya.
Yes, na, I'll pick. No stick.
Hindi na, ibang lipay kasi may sanga-sanga. Dito nga to. Ni, pima.
Malaya, come here. Wait, come here. Go near nanay. Go near nanay.
Ayun naman lagi may san.
Malaya. Malaya. Give me that. Give me that. If you don't listen. Give me that. If you don't listen.
Anak man lang kasi kapit ka mga basta ni.
You stay right here then. Filipino. Yung iba ano? Yung iba may ano ba yan? Yung parang bugit.
Daming cherries. Bukid. Bukid.
Malaki na matigas niya. Ay, ay, ay.
Yan. Nangalatiladar ninong dito. Ulyanan.
Israel.
Israel?
I want to kill the Peking dito. Libre.
Why?
Libre.
What do you mean libre?
Libre. I want to buy it. Nung takawam na.
Hindi ka naman nagpipidot.
Ate Marlene. Do, dami. Kain na. Nangangagat yung mga ano, parang langaw yung tsura.
Baka lamok.
Hindi ate, yung parang langaw yung tsura.
B?
Hindi naman, maliliit siya ate.
Nine. Ang patas magkastoy din?
I'll go find more cherries and then put it in there.
Wala ka. Lumboy ate na.
There's a
Wala
lot.
ka. Lumboy ate.
Busog na ako. Yun na naman sa halang damit mo.
Come here, big one. But then you're picking one behind.
I'm getting upset.
Who's getting upset?
Je,
Why?
Je,
She says, oh my
look.
goodness.
I mean, is this one good?
Yep. So we're eating this. We don't wash it.
Oh no, I got the juice on me. Mommy, I got the juice on me. Me, I got juice on me. Mommy, I'm not bleeding. I just got juice on me. Mommy, where do I put the juice?
Try to wipe it in the